Not My Child is a new play now playing at the Green Gables Theatre in Kingston. So let's check out highlights from the play.
It's what up, Mama, you hungry? Mama!
Diddy!
Girl, we call you back. Mother, ask up again. It's what up, Mama, you want something to drink? You want tea?
I want tea!
Then make you never just say so.
I want tea!
Me I get it, Mama.
I actually took notes from my director, all the block-ins, I studied my script. Basically, I looked at some young girls, I watched how they talk, because I don't remember when I was 14 how I used to act. And so, you know, I read up on the story and all of that. Get background information, make references, and that's how I got my character. Integrity.
I will just have to look at all the best possible ways. I am not as young as I used to be. So it's not every hustle me can lick again. Not everyone too me can lick again anymore. But I still have to find a way to make ends meet.
A very challenging role. I mean, playing a disabled person, doing it with taste, and making it believable has never been an easy job for anyone, you know? And with the emotional, what you call it, roller coaster that this character has to do, with very few lines, not even being able to express herself, but having to emote, it's not easy.
You have to take care of your grandma.
Not me, child, your mother, Miss Hunga.
Can't manage that now.
Deandra, it's your mother and my daughter. Don't let me down. You have to take care of her, even if it's not for you, then do it for me.
Me tell her that she must find a man and work with him.
Oh, no, man! She did that for your father, and see where it leave you? Fatherless. Look here.
I knew that David wouldn't ask me if he was serious or if he didn't think I could do it, so I said, okay, I'll try. And that's how it started. It is one heck of a job. It is one of the strongest plays I've ever done because it's all about reality, our reality, and parents, grandparents, youngsters, all of that.
I said, just talk to me, man. I needed that money in a Mary.
Why, honey?
Then all that to explain to you too.
Then why not? Every time I say I've been telling what is being ordered, every single day is something new. When we keep jumping, I can't be bothered.
One of my dreams was to work with the Leonie Forbes, and it's happening now.
What was it that drew you to the production? What sparked your interest?
Actually, when I read the script, I immediately could tell the story. I knew of the story through the media. And when I asked the director if it's the same story, he said yes, and I wanted to be a part of it.
I'm patient. Oh, you're so fool. In the grass.
And you are a jobless old woman.
Soon, Mary Jane, soon, all that is in the dark will come out in the light.
What's your talk about Mary?
When I pray, only bad things happen.
This was an extremely challenging character. I've never played a role of this magnitude before. This is somebody who has values and was simply in a Jamaican light, just drawn out. He just got into a situation that was unplanned for, and he became a victim of circumstance. As you could see in the play, he was trying to avoid this person, and she used every bit of womanly guile or girlish guile to lure him in, and he just became a victim, you know, not getting enough love and attention from his wife, and boom, all of a sudden here's all this attention, and him just fall for it. There's no growth in a comfort zone, so I decided to take on the challenge.
I know why you had to get rid of me, because I knew about you and Baxter. So, in order for you to live a peaceful life, you go and pay me quite handsomely. That will come out of the picture.
That is extortion.
Shut him out and call it what you sick him cheating wife is.
Leonie, excellent, excellent. The young girl, good. You know, I say Iceman, that's Donald Iceman. Good, good, excellent, 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 excellent. I recommend this play. Not My Child.
Not My Child. What you thought of the production tonight?
Well, it was excellent. It was well put together. Yeah, it evoked a lot of emotions. It was just awesome.
What was the high point for you, though?
Well, the high point, you know, like, was the main fact, you know, that there was so much drama, you know, like.
The high point for me was with the whole thing with the girl being at the house, even in the night, with the wife being there. That was ridiculous. That was really ridiculous. I would have never tried that.
The recent staging of Mello Vibes was another success, and we have all the highlights. Let's check it out.
Mello Vibes. I know, say we keep it at the retro capital, and it was non-stop dancing all night. We started at Peppers, and now we're here at Magnum. We just start by asking people what is it that they want. They tell us that they want retro, and we don't try to deliver to them the best way we know how. We're just getting the best DJs to deliver the best of the 70s, 80s, and the 90s.
You are here everything. I don't need ladies, go down. Yes, let's right. Boys and money. Tell them down. Prince gonna lay on you. Listen. Down this and some girl can't do that you. Hey, come on, I don't know can you do that so. Show your dance. Now, Barris, what she tell you?
Baby, she told me I'll be waiting for you, honey. I'll make something special for you. Now how am I going to enter? I can't afford to wait.
If this never reaches you yet, you are not a girl's man. You are not a girl. What is it called?
My girl.
I would say special thanks to Ray Nephew. Somewhere, some form, they've always find a brand to be associated with Mello Vibes. Currently, it's Coldbeck Jamaican ginger wine. They will also come. I would say special thanks to Trojan Condom, Superior Honda, Dentine Ice, Cool FM, Zip FM, Fame FM, all the different radio stations that be a part of Mello Vibes over the years.
Like birds we clip them wings, hear them searching. That is why they do the greatest swings. That them searching. Mello Vibes.
Now coming up after the break, it's all about the AISK Sports Feva launch and the top 10 charts. We'll be right back.